Welcome to our channel. Today, we will practice daily life questions and answers conversation. By doing that, you can improve your communication skills and build up speaking skills easily. Let's see.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Am I daydreaming?
No, it's real.
Am I daydreaming?
No, it's real.
Am I late?
No, you're early.
Am I late?
No, you're early.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
Are you busy?
No, I am free.
Are you crazy?
Yes, a little.
Are you crazy?
Yes, a little.
Are you done?
I am done.
Are you done?
I am done.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not.
Are you kidding?
No, I'm not.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Are you sure?
I am sure.
Are you thirsty?
No, I'm not.
Are you thirsty?
No, I'm not.
At what time?
At 6 o'clock.
At what time?
At 6 o'clock.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.
Did you notice?
No, I didn't.
Did you notice?
No, I didn't.
Do you care?
Yes, very little.
Do you care?
Yes, very little.
Has someone come?
Nobody has come.
Has someone come?
Nobody has come.
Have you heard?
Yes, few times.
Have you heard?
Yes, few times.
How was it?
It was great.
How was it?
It was great.
Is anybody home?
Nobody is home.
Is anybody home?
Nobody is home.
Is anything left?
Nothing is left.
Is anything left?
Nothing is left.
Is anything wrong?
Nothing is wrong.
Is anything wrong?
Nothing is wrong.
Is it possible?
It is not possible.
Is it possible?
It is not possible.
Isn't it good?
No, it's good.
Isn't it good?
No, it's good.
Isn't it tough?
It's super easy.
Isn't it tough?
It's super easy.
May I eat?
Yes, of course.
May I eat?
Yes, of course.
Need anything else?
No, thank you.
Need anything else?
No, thank you.
Shall I go?
Yes, you may.
Shall I go?
Yes, you may.
Do you want something?
Not at all.
Do you want something?
Not at all.
What's the matter?
He abused me?
What's the matter?
He abused me?
Who asked you?
He asked me.
Who asked you?
He asked me.
Who goes first?
You go first.
Who goes first?
You go first.
Who hit whom?
Tony hit him.
Who hit whom?
Tony hit him.
Who took that?
I didn't take.
Who took that?
I didn't take.
Whose are these?
These are mine.
Whose are these?
These are mine.
Will it work?
It will work.
Will it work?
It will work.
Is this heavy?
Yes, it is.
Is this heavy?
Yes, it is.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Are you married?
Yes, I am married.
Is it durable?
Yes, it's durable.
Is it durable?
Yes, it's durable. If you benefited from watching this video and want to get more such videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.